got to get the magic to work.
The dragon!
I don't want to.
Tara, pull my finger. You're supposed to pull.
Ow!
Don't be a wuss. Would you like one? They're both happy.
Don't do no more.
Never fear, I have one more box here.
Ooh, light.
Don't do no more.
I got one more box.
Another dragon. And another one. They're circling us.
What
War
happened?
has begun. Take cover.
Tara. Tara.
Oh God, no. Ow.
It's in your hair.
Is it?
It is in your hair.
No more, Daddy.
Here's the last one.
You fought the other dragon. Don't do no more.
He did that with his fingers. He went like this.
Hey, you want to hear how loud I can snap my fingers? Listen. Can you snap your fingers that loud?
No.
Uh-oh.